Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to mute your ringtone on Emporia Smart 6. To do it, first press on the settings button on the top of your screen. Then press on silent mode. And now you can set when to automatically enable silent mode. For example, you can set an hour when you go to sleep, or you can just set it forever and press on save. And now it's set forever until you click on it again to toggle it off. Then press on back. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.